Guys, this is Too Good For You Clan. As you can see, as my player card, I got with me Call Me Weezy, showing you how to do this player card. It's just quick 3 easy steps. You gotta go to page 3, you gotta get the portal all the way on the bottom, 3rd row. Just leave it as it is, you can change the color later. And you gotta get the WA2000, it's one of the snipers. It's on page 23, 4th row. You gotta get it, put it all the way on top, make it big. I like choosing black because it shows more. And you gotta go to the portal, make it a little big. Ooh. And then you got white. And then you need the circle for the next part. It's on page 1. Make it big as in go, and put it red. And you can design it just how you like. You know, put a sniper, anything you want. I like using snipers because we're mostly a sniping clan, you know. Then I got the Too Good For You sign. That's how you do that. And I'll show you the other one that's most famous and most people don't understand in Black Ops. You need a globe. You'll see. The globe is on page 2, 2nd row, all the way on the left. Click R1, outline it, make it big. Make it black. Duplicate it. Change it to the side a little, change any color you want. Duplicate it, change the color. Duplicate it, change the color. Duplicate it, change the color. After you got all that and you stop right there, go to page 17 and grab the splat. Make it big and change the color that mostly fits for it. Like black. I'll go with red. And I'll grab the sniper box, flip it. Let's see, let's go with. What should we go with? Call Me Weezy. White or black?
Say white.
White? Alright. Duplicate it. Smaller and make it look like it has a shadow. And you can put something under it. You can put as B as in boss or anything you want. What should we put? No clue, huh? Where's the B at? B. Oh, there it is. Page 1. You can put B-O, type boss, B-O-S-S. That's how you do that. Circles on page 1. I'm trying to do as fast as I can because I'm in a rush. Looking for the S. I seen an S last time over here. You know where the S is? Oh, here we go. I got it. It's on page 17, but 3rd row. Duplicate it, and there you go. You got boss. That's how you do that play card. What else play card? What else play card you want to do easy?